So it occurred to me that there's people out there that have probably never seen the ocean. I know you've probably seen the ocean on TV. And let me tell you that cameras never do it justice. It's pretty incredible. I figured that some people will probably find this a bit boring. And some people might find it quite interesting and pretty cool. I'm one of those people. So, if you find it interesting, stick around, have a wee watch. If not, scroll on, no hard feelings. I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy that. Sound of the wind and the waves. Beautiful, huh?